Tired of waking up to the same old boring alarm clock? Say hello to the all-new Amazon Echo Spot, your smart home's new best friend. I.e., sleek design and smart display, this compact beauty fits perfectly on your nightstand, office desk, or kitchen counter. With its vibrant, customizable display, you can choose your favorite clock face, check the weather, and see song titles at just a glance. One happy customer said, "The display is so clear, and I love that I can change the clock face to match my mood or decor. Alexa built-in and rich sound." The new Echo Spot doesn't just look good, it sounds amazing too. With Alexa built right in, you can play your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks, all with clear, rich audio. Another reviewer shared, "The sound quality blew me away for such a small device. I use it every morning for music, and it sets the perfect vibe." You can even set gentle wake-up routines or control your smart lights and thermostat, hands-free or with just a tap. Eco-friendly and privacy-first. Made with 36% recycled materials, this Echo Spot is as kind to the planet as it is to your daily routine. Plus, with built-in privacy features like a microphone off button, you're always in control. One user noted, "I love the peace of mind knowing there's a mic off button, plus it feels good knowing it's eco-friendly." Ready to upgrade your mornings and your home? The new Amazon Echo Spot is stylish, smart, and sustainable. Oh, click the link in our bio to get yours now on Amazon. Don't miss out. Your smarter home starts here.